Hi, I'm Nadia McLeod from Emery Legal Kits, and today I'm going to answer the question, what is a marriage separation agreement? A marriage separation agreement is a type of binding financial agreement. It's a document made under Australia's Family Law Act that allows a separating married couple to privately document how they wish to divide their property and other financial resources. A separation agreement covers issues like the ownership of real estate, personal property, cars, furniture, superannuation entitlements, shares, debt, and spousal maintenance. Let's look at a real-life example. Tony and Lisa tied the knot 15 years ago, built a business and home together, had 3 children, and dreamed of the day they would retire on the coast together. But the stresses and demands of modern life took its toll and they slowly grew apart. They've decided to separate, and even though they are going to live apart, they still get on and want to maintain a friendship. After all, they have 3 children and are going to be seeing each other on a regular basis. Tony and Lisa had a pretty good idea of how they could divide their property, and both agreed that staying out of court would be cheaper and less stressful. They just needed to work out the finer points and put their agreement in writing. After some research, they decided to make a binding financial or separation agreement. By using a separation agreement template along with the guidance notes and samples provided, Tony and Lisa were surprised just how easy it was to draft their own agreement. It covered issues such as the transfer of the family home into Lisa's name, how the investment properties were dealt with. Some were sold and one was kept for Tony. Who got what in relation to cars, furniture, the share portfolio and savings, superannuation, and whether maintenance would be paid. Issues that dealt with child support and visiting rights were dealt with in other documents such as a child support agreement and parenting plan. Once they were both happy with the financial separation agreement, they obtained the legal advice as required by the Family Law Act. It was a simple process completed in their own time without spending a fortune or even leaving home for that matter. As this real-life story shows, reaching an amicable marriage separation agreement quickly about debts, assets, and property offers you many advantages. You get to make your own choices. You significantly reduce the financial and emotional costs of taking the matter to court. Your ongoing relationship as parents, if you have children, is likely to be more harmonious, and you can get on with your life without the strain of drawn-out court proceedings. If you're interested in learning more about a marriage separation agreement, which is correctly known as a binding financial agreement, follow the links below.